Hi all, in this brief Tech Under 10, we're going to look at how to use the Boardmaker printable templates, find the object, and following directions to create printable activities, in this case around the Thanksgiving holiday. In order to start a find the object activity, simply go to New. And it's one of the templates on the printable, but I like to just search it up here. Just start find and it'll come up. There's a lot of themed ones for different holidays. Just keep that in your mind for future holidays. But for this one, I'm going to select the Find the Object table, Thanksgiving table, and hit Create. Then you'll be brought to your familiar page that looks like this to create your activity. In this case, I was working with somebody on vocabulary around Thanksgiving. Could be core vocabulary, could be anything related to it, or it could just be random words. But we're just going to look at how to make the activity so you can use it to print it or to use it on a display in the classroom. It gives you two options here, the color version and the black and white. We're going to look at both of them and how that may also lead into a different activity. To start, let's go to our color page. To add pictures to this, you simply are going to fill in the key over here of pictures to look for. Then you're going to put the same pictures on your page on this side to find the object. Now you could create any sort of activity in the directions up here. You could only put or have them look for objects with certain letters, rhyming, anything you like. But for this, I'm going to delete this because this is simply going to be a find the objects and talk about them type of activity. To add the pictures, simply click the box like usual and start typing. Now you're going to want to make sure you put the same picture on this side because it is a find the object activity. You can keep going until your key and the pictures on your page are full. And again, I could have selected any host of pictures for this activity. I could have had directions on here in the label, finding objects that were a certain color, begins with a certain letter, rhymes with something. I mean, you can create the way you want to make the activity for the objective you're working on. This was also just to show you how to add the pictures to your page. And once you have them all on there, now you can save that, print it, display it, or whatever you choose. Under it, they give you the black and white option. And I like this for a variety of reasons, one of which it's a coloring page naturally after you're done. And the second reason I'll show you in a second. Let's add some pictures to this as well. You do this the same way, except in this case, you're going to want to make it so that the pictures are black and white. To do that, simply hit the little menu right here, select black and white, and then apply that to your page. And now your pictures are coming out all black and white. Turkey over here. I'm going to add a couple more, and then I'm going to show you what I can do with this. The house. The house. Let's do one more. Let's do the corn. Again, just doing it the same way. The only difference here is I selected black and white. I'm not going to fill in all of these this time. I'm going to now leave it at that, pretend all these were filled in over here. Again, I can use this as a black and white activity. Or now, I'm going to take Command-Shift-4 and take a screenshot of this picture. Again, this would be completed if I finished it. Now that I have a screenshot of that picture, I'm going to go back out here and I'm going to create a new printable activity. This time I'm going to do following directions. And I'm going to choose this one right here. Now I can make a following directions activity using the picture that I was creating in black and white. I'm going to place the picture I just took a screenshot of in this box by selecting from File and adding that screenshot I just took here. And now over here, I can make directions. Color the house blue. color the turkey brown, color the corn yellow. Again, I can do any type of directions, activities, pictures based on my objective, but this just was to show you how you can go from the find the object activity, use it in its own, or take a screenshot of the black and white version and dump it into the following directions page and make it a following directions activity. Again, I'm going to return to my dashboard. We started by looking at how to create a new printable activity using find the object, which are a ton of different themes. Once we did that, we looked at the black and white version of the activity, started building that, and we took a screenshot of that. Once we had a screenshot of that, we were able to then dump that into the new printable following directions page. And make a following directions activity with that screenshot of what we just made. So this brief tech in under 10 was to show you how to use those two printable templates, in this case for a Thanksgiving type of vocabulary, core vocabulary, language type theme. But again, they could be used for a whole host of different objectives, different themes, and whatnot. Hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.